Welcome back to Meditation with Rene. This session will last approximately 5 minutes, and the topic today is well-being. So please find a comfortable place or position to get into. Do not listen to this while you're driving, and let's get into it. Let's begin by closing your eyes if you feel comfortable, or leaving them open. Starting with an in-breath through the nose and an out-breath through the nose. How was your day? If you're watching this at the end of your day, how was your day? If you are watching this in the morning, how was your day yesterday? And with the way that things went, how do you feel? Are you happy? Are you sad? Did we allow anyone to make us feel uncomfortable or mad, angry? Take some time to really think about it. This time is for you. This time is to explore our feelings, our emotions. How do you feel right now? Are you getting enough sleep? How did work go? Are you keeping a journal? Have you been keeping up with it? And what's going on with you? Are you happy? Could you be more happy? Any personal projects that you have going on? Throughout the day, do you find it difficult or easy to remain in the present? Are you thinking about or rehashing old conversations that you had, interactions with other people? Maybe thinking, I should have said this, or I should not have said that. Are you thinking about the future? If so, how much? Do you find it hard to think about your current task, what it is that you're currently doing? Are you sad? Are you equally taking time to do things that you enjoy doing, equal to the amount of time that you're spending doing things that you may not enjoy doing? What would make you feel better? Are you exercising? Not if you don't or feel like exercising or you don't like to exercise, but are you exercising? I don't like exercising. How are we eating? Do we understand the difference between truly being hungry versus eating out of habit? Please take some time to really think about all these things. And let me know how you're feeling, how you're doing. Comment below. Take care of yourself. See you next time.